Welcome to this video for faculty on how to log into NSCC's Accommodate system. Accessibility Services has moved to a new, modern system called Accommodate to help coordinate supports for students with disabilities. In Accommodate, you can easily view up-to-date academic accommodation letters for all of your students all in one place. You can access Accommodate through Brightspace or directly through the NSCC website. Accommodate uses single sign-on, so if you are already logged into your NSCC account, you won't need to sign in again. However, if prompted to log in, select Faculty on the user screen and enter your NSCC credentials, the same ones used for logging into Microsoft 365. Once you log in, you will be directed to the main page. On the left-hand side, you will find sections for accommodation letters, the courses you teach, and a resource document library. For more information or support, contact Accessibility Services at your campus or email accessibility.services@nscc.ca.